Chris Morley. I'm MD for Remudan Urban Solutions. So TM operative would be my first role, and it must be 30 years now. So that would be selling to Chevron. I think getting it wrong for a customer, or which has probably happened on a few occasions, but we always make sure we go back and put it right. I don't think I'd do anything differently. I think sometimes I get frustrated when there's a lack of action. Meetings that get repeated and a lack of action in between. Always take a step back and evaluate. Thrill of the chase, not the money, just the thrill of the chase and getting something over the line, especially if it's something a bit different. My brothers. Even in recession, it does well, and the highways sector, and particularly traffic management, has given me a really, really good living. Badly, so I'm guilty of working too much, but I enjoy it. I've spoken to other people in business, and they sort of see it as their hobby, and for the most part, it's been a hobby, not just a job. Well, nowadays it's laptop, isn't it? But phone. Consideration for all.